And here we have Mr. Lyndon Suet about to do a little bit of episode down the tree. Here he comes. Look at that man, this is Big Red. Big Red's running with the big dogs now. There's no dog like a big dog, and I'm the fucking Mastiff. And so is Red. He's a Great Dane. Here he comes. Taking care not to burn his rope. Yes. It's a filthy day out here in Monkton Hadley. It's shit. It's fucking cold and fucking wet. And old Red's been up there for about 2 hours now doing his stuff. There he goes, look at that. This is SAS material. This man should be badged in the regiment. Oh yes. Listen to that grunting. There he goes. Hello Red, how was that? Look at the state of your fucking boat race, mate. Let's have a close look at that.
You've got snot.
Looks like he's just fucking come out from the Arctic. You can't see because his glasses are covered in sawdust. Jesus, I really like it. Look at his little goatee beard there, his fucking face is plastered.
Fucking love it, don't you? Just straighten me ropes it. Watch this, hold on. Hold on. You like this?
So bring his gloves out now, look. Oh yeah, look at that. The other one?
The other one. I can't get the bastard off. Come on. My trousers look wet through.
Your legs wet?
Yeah, soaked through, mate. Soaked through.
What an animal this man is.
Fucking machine.
Just a lean, mean, arboricultural machine.
I'll leave this up, yeah?
Yeah, okay, mate. It's 1 minute and 42 seconds.
Lovely, thanks, mate.
He's unclipping. We're going to have a little break now, a cup of tea, and I'm going to finish off where Red left off, right?
Because he's a good boy like that.
Because he's a good boy like that. Oh well, bye for now.
Bye for now.